So is it true that a foundation repair can actually restore or increase the value of a home? Or is a foundation repair gonna reduce the value of your home? Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're gonna talk about how foundation problems or foundation repairs can affect the value of your home. So one thing to understand about foundation problems in the Houston area is that everybody's gonna have it. I mean, it's a rare deal for people not to have foundation problems in Houston. Your roof's gonna depreciate, your foundation's gonna depreciate. So one of the major things that could affect the resale of your house if you've had a foundation repair is what company did it. There are things out there that can depreciate the value of your home if the foundation repair was done by a poor company. The other thing that can happen is a foundation repair company could do a poor job and maybe overlift areas to try to close cracks. When a home inspector comes and checks that house, they can find a corner that's 1.5 inches higher than the rest of the house because a bad company did it. At Deep Rock Foundations, great customer satisfaction is important to us. We provide great documentation with lifetime transferable warranties, where an engineer will actually do a site visit, measure final elevation readings. That way you can have confidence that your foundation repair was done correctly, and so you can be confident that your foundation will be protected for the future. So if you're getting ready to sell your home and you think you might have foundation issues, give us a call. We'll come out and give you a free evaluation.